vehicle was built for the park in 1958. It is based on the 1916 American LaFrance fire truck, scaled down like the buildings on Main Street, 5/8 scale. Walt Disney himself used to drive this from time to time. He'd use this to get around and check out the park. In fact, his last official photograph that he had taken here
It's in the truck,
he
yeah.
sat here, Mickey next to him in front of the castle in November '66.
Yeah.
You may ring the bell back there if you want, and we're coming, fun and annoying. There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
These days seated while we're moving, hands, arms, legs, feet, and sides. Advise children, we will reach speeds upwards. I can see the tear in your eyes. Don't be nervous. Not all the rides go this fast. Just tuck and roll. Tuck and roll.
Oh, come on in.
Hello, you're late.
I know.
Yeah, yeah.
Come on in. Watch that.
Where would you like to sit, Sam? Here or
On the
with
seat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sit.
Okay. On the seat.
These days seated while we're moving, hands, arms, legs, feet, and sides. Advise children, one-way trip to the Central Park. If you get scared, just do what I do when I drive. Close your eyes. We have our character cavalcade today, 145 and 245. A bunch of characters. Comes down from the small world area to here at 145, starts here at 245, and goes back on up.
Is that in? They do that in the omnibus, or is that just them walking with the band?
Some of them riding in these vehicles,
Okay.
some of them are walking, and we have one float and some dancers.
Okay.
I'll have Mickey and Minnie on this.
Dawn. Yeah.
One of my favorite things on Main Street are the gas lamps here. They're over 200 years old.
Wow.
We got them from Baltimore. They were scrapping them. We picked them up for scrap metal price. They've been going since day one at the park. I like to have something older than me on the street. We'll be celebrating our 70th anniversary this year.
Yeah. Did you ever think you'd be here after 50 years?
No.
Yeah.
I was just hoping to make 10.
Yeah. You made a lot of them, Steve.
Yeah. Yeah, when I first got employed here, it was the 17th anniversary. That would be me.
Yeah.
Surprise! Morning.
Doc.
Donald keeps inviting his friends. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. There you go. Watch
Cool.
steps.
Thank
Have
you
a
so
great
much,
day.
Steve. Can I take a picture of you?
Sure. The further you get away, the better I look.